All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Well, this is another strong one reaching us. Well, my brother, my sister, onto the matter of Yeye Osun. There's been a lot of reactions as Yeye Osun finally joins the Muslim. In fact, she converted to Muslim from Isheshe to Muslim. A lot of people have actually reacted, and this is not actually all going well with majority of people. With the kind of reactions I am actually getting since morning till now. Hmm. Well, somebody had made it clear that they don't beat this woman tire. Now him make go join the Muslim community. Now him make go convert to Muslim. This is infringement on fundamental human rights. Why can't Muslims lead peaceful lives alone? And then why can't they leave these people to do what they actually want to do? It is not funny at all. Well, somebody had made it clear. Why? Don't blame the Muslims. It shows that she is not a total Olorisha before. Yes, though that is why she can easily change. Well, who is actually deceiving who? A lot of people have actually reacted. And then some sort of people are like, we can't blame her. You can tell she's been intimidated. Well, there was one, no, there were some videos that had gone viral where where the Yeye Osun was, saying that nobody forced her, that they didn't force her, that it was just the time for God to get her arrested. That's why she converted to Muslim. But my brother and my sister, hey, all this whole thing is just sounding as if it's a movie. From when to when? Somebody was detained within a month, and then the next thing she just converted like that. So what happens to our followers? Well, me, I don't understand anyway. I don't know who she was anyway before she changed to Islam. Just like that, we call you Yeye Osun, and the next thing you were detained. Then few weeks later, you joined the same set of people that were humiliating you, that even arrested you. That's so serious. Well, many people have reasoned that it's no psychologically she wouldn't have accepted just like that. That a lot of things must have happened in the cell. They must have convinced her, and then they must have threatened her also, that for them to release her and all that. Anything can happen. I know the truth is still going to come out. Yes, the truth is still going to come out. Well, according to Muhammad Nu Yakubu, so well, don't claim knowledge of what you know not. Okay? Don't claim knowledge of what you know not. In Islam, first Islam is no Islam. Everyone knows this. It is clearly stated in the Quran, no compulsion in religion. What your mind is whispering to you is just your lazy and then idle imagination. Well, this one is another strong one. So now somebody just made one point right now that there's no compulsion in Islam, that you cannot force somebody to join Islam. But I don't understand. If that is the case, then why are they against any other religion from practicing their religion, if not that they are going against Quran? Because right now, this set of people, to me, I think they have just violated the rule of Islam. If somebody can say, according to Islam, there is no way, there's no place where you must force somebody to do your religion as a Muslim, then why is Tani Olorun still in detention? A lot of people will tell you that he defamed uh, some clerics, that he was not arrested because he was doing Isheshe. My brother, my sister, all these things are not actually being said well about the Muslim community. Well, the truth of the matter right now is that everybody needs to wake up. What exactly is going on? What exactly is going on? What must have warranted this woman to just, change to Islam just like that? That's another one we're actually talking about. Well, according to Itakun, Tony Kering Magoke, that's the name here, it says, well, we saw everything. You don't have to cover your religion of PC. That's serious. That's another strong one. Yes, and exactly what I just explained. Why would you say Islam, for you to be a Muslim, it can be compulsory, or else it's not the religion. But everybody saw the whole thing that actually happened. Who is actually deceiving who? Well, go for basic English comprehensive. I didn't write in Spanish. Okay, well, a lot of people are just against themselves. Well, that's another strong one. Well, somebody have made it clear that if you look straight into the eyes of Yeye Osun, that you know that she was not actually happy, that something actually was wrong. Something was wrong. And then with time, it will be exposed. Everybody will know exactly what they did to this woman. Well, it's a breaking news of the emergency. Oshun Abebi's group came in sorrow and sorrow when their heart's mother, Oshun Abebi, returned to the Muslim religion in Ilorin. All right, this had been said by Mustafa. No, that's serious. Well, majority of people have been like, what could have caused this? What did they do to her in detention? That we are going to follow this thing up because we don't understand. Well, somebody is of the opinion that no, we showed God to suffer, and then the mother saw God clearly, and then she agreed to God. It's not funny at all. I can see her before and then after she joined Muslim picture. It's going viral everywhere. This is so serious. Her before and after picture is now everywhere. Before was when she was still with the Onisheshe people. Isheshe people. But right now, the whole scenario has changed where she's dressed in a Muslim attire. As you can see on your screen right now, a lot of people are still in shock that what could have made her to surrender, because it's not funny. Well, somebody was asking if she has been released. Yes, she has been released, and then she actually opened up in different ways. That not that they forced out, that it was just the right time for God to catch her heart. That's why she joined the Muslim religion. That's serious. Well, that's another one that we are actually getting. Well, the people are still not in line. They are still not understanding what actually happened with the Osun converting to Muslim just because she was detained, or she said, or she actually meant it. I don't know. But according to what she said earlier, she said it that nobody forced her, that it was just the right time for her to be a Muslim. Hey, who does that? Well, my brother, my sister, this is another strong one. Majority of things, though, had actually been said. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, my people, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.